core system libraries failing because of the Network Tracing Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist, and I'll show you exactly how to restore your stability. Before we get into the manual guide for Network Tracing Library, you can try the suggested utility for improving overall system health. This is the Network Tracing Library. This library manages the event tracing for Windows, ETW, related to network activity. It is essential for diagnostic tools like Netsh Trace. If corrupted, IT troubleshooters cannot generate network logs, and the system may report a required diagnostic module is missing during a network repair wizard. Since we've covered what this file is, let's move to the primary fix. This problem points to a breach in your Windows system files. Use the System File Checker by entering sfc/scan now into an elevated command prompt, which will allow the OS to verify and restore the authentic version of Network Tracing Library DLL. If the application still won't initialize, we need to shift our focus to how the Windows loader is interacting with the library. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including Network Tracing Library. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. If you're still stuck after the reboot, stay with me. We're going to try a more targeted approach now. You can pause the video whenever you need to follow along. If those core system files are still missing after the restart, we'll use DISM to pull fresh copies from the cloud. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM /online /cleanup image /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this triggers a deep cloud sync to replace corrupted local system manifests with verified master files directly from Microsoft servers. To ensure long-term stability, we should review the safety risks associated with unverified file sources. Be aware that manual interventions for Network Tracing Library DLL often create secondary conflicts. Using an incorrect file version can cause cascading application crashes, making your workstation significantly less stable than before. A professional diagnostic tool can be a valuable asset for those looking to maintain long-term system stability and file integrity. The link below points to a diagnostic utility that provides information on managing Network Tracing Library and maintaining system stability. If this fix repaired Network Tracing Library dependency issue, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure and stable PC.